Officer Dave, would you open the courtroom for us, please?
The state of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge David S. Robinson Jr. presiding. Court is now in session. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Very good, thank you.
I think we can get her connected to audio. We can get started with your case.
Very good.
I got video. Waiting for audio. Still waiting for audio. Here we go. All right, we have everybody now. We are on the record calling file number 23140-201, William Beaumont Hospital versus Cora Durham. Date and time for what appears to be our initial pretrial appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joe Sapersky on behalf of the plaintiff, William Beaumont Hospital, P63844.
What is your name, ma'am?
Cora Durham. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Is it your intention to represent yourself in this matter?
Yes, sir.
You have an absolute constitutional right to do that. What you do not have is a right to your own set of rules of civil procedure, your own rules of evidence, your own statutes. If you elect to represent yourself, as is your constitutional right, the same rules that are binding on counsel are binding on you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, where are we on this file, people?
Not very far, Judge. When I received the notice of hearing, I went to the court's docket. I noticed that an answer had been filed May 5th, but I never received a copy. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on Ms. Durham's side.
Okay. Ms. Durham, what's your position on this matter?
Well, when I got the summons, it was taped to my door, and I called the court immediately. I, did, like he said, the answer, contacted the court for a court date.
Okay, well, first thing, if you're going to represent yourself, one of the things you must understand, it is your obligation, not the court's obligation, to serve copies of every pleading that you file with the court on counsel for the other side. That is your obligation, not the court's. So what we'll do, counsel, is I will send you a copy of her answer along with today's order. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to open your written discovery. I'm going to give you guys a return date. Your return date with me will be July 6th, Thursday at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
That does for plaintiff.
July 6th at 10 o'clock?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, your written discovery is now open. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put you two into a chat room where you can discuss the file between the two of you. If you settle the case, come back to me. If not, get started on your written discovery. We'll see you again July 6th at 10 o'clock. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Now let's see if I can make the technology work. There's always that.
Always that.
Yeah, okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. This is case number 23-240-101. Jeremy Richardson versus Real Estate Title Agency Incorporated. Your appearances, please.
Linda Perkins Moore, P 36136, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff in this matter, Jeremy Richardson.
Richard M. Delanis appearing on behalf of the defendant, Real Estate Title Agency, P number 47904.
And y'all came here to tell me you settled. Wrong answer.
I would wish that were true. I just received an answer yesterday to our motion for summary disposition.
Okay, well, let's do this. Is our written discovery, we ready to close written discovery, or is more needed?
No, there's more needed, Your Honor, because remember I came in late and after reviewing a thorough review, there's still additional documents that I need and I plan on sending out the request today.
All right, then what I'll do is I'll give you another day, because,
Okay,
Mr. Delano says, it's a waste of time, everybody's time to schedule
correct.
a motion while discovery is open, because the answer is always discovery is incomplete.
Thank you.
That was, I used to do that when I was practicing. Let's come back here. July 6th, 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
July 6th, that is perfect for me.
Mr. Delano?
I am checking this real fast. July 6th, 10 o'clock works for me.
Okay, let's continue your written discovery and let's get moving on the file, people. Anything
Yes, Your
else
Honor. Thank you very much.
Anything else we can accomplish today?
Nothing.
I think that's it for now.
July 6th, 10 o'clock, your written discovery remains open. Thank you both.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay.
Thank you,
Be
Judge.
safe out here. Don't breathe air.
I
Right.
know.
Isn't this crazy? Let's get Ms. Lewis in here. Let's see what she's looking for. Jeremy Richards. Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, Mr. Richardson, we've had your pretrial. The case will be heard again, July 6th at 10 o'clock. You can contact your lawyer for further information. I continue your written discovery.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Be safe. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good to see you again.
Good to be seen rather than viewed. What file brings you here today?
I've got 882 Ally Bank versus Frierson.
Okay, I don't seem to have Ms. Frierson as of yet, so I'll go ahead and I'll do my other case and we'll get back to you.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Back to the waiting room for you. And so that'll be Andrew Perry and Mary Polly. And that should be 690. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr.
Good morning, Judge.
Okay, we seem to have both sides here. This is file number 23-140-690, Midland Credit Management versus Mary Elisa Polly. This appears to be our second pretrial. Your appearances.
Good morning, Judge. Andrew Perry, P69402 on behalf of plaintiff.
And your name, ma'am?
Mary Polly.
Okay, where are we on our file, people?
Judge, it's my understanding that the parties reached an agreement. I need to prepare that agreement and send it over to Miss Polly to review.
Okay, now how are you going to dispose of the case? By a dismissal or conditional dismissal or consent judgment?
I can do a conditional dismissal on this one.
Okay,
Miss Polly, does that work for you? I don't think we discussed that part of the,
let me do
The
this.
agreement.
Let me put you all in the chat room and then come back to me after you had your conversation.
okay, thank you, Judge.
Probably a better way.
Okay.
Hold on, I'll see if I can make the technology work. Okay, Andrew Perry, that's assigned to room 3. Molly Polly is assigned to room 3. Let's see if it works.
There.
Okay. Okay, there's her. There's Perry. Okay. So maybe it's working. Okay, we are back with file number 2314069, Midland Credit Management versus Mary Alice Elisa Powley. What's going on, folks?
Andrew Perry, P69402 on behalf of plaintiff. Thanks, Judge, for passing the case. We were able to work out those details. Judge, it's my understanding that the parties agreed to dismiss the case on the condition that Ms. Polly continues to pay $100 a month. Her next payment's due July 28th of 2023.
And what's the total to be paid?
She's already paid $100. The current balance, $6,955.41.
Ms. Polly, is that your agreement?
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna be sending me then a conditional dismissal.
That's correct. I'll send a proposal to Ms. Polly first, review and sign. Once she returns it, Judge, I'll sign it, and then I could forward it to the court for review and signature.
Okay, so what I will do is I will dismiss the matter without prejudice, noting that we will be receiving a conditional dismissal.
Sounds good to me, Judge.
All right,
Okay.
thank you both for coming in. Let's be
All right,
safe.
thank you, Judge. Have a great day, everyone.
Appreciate you coming in.
Thank you.
We are on the record calling 231448882 Ally Bank versus Unique Frierson. By notice dated May 12th, this is the date and time set for the motion for summary disposition filed on behalf of plaintiff. Could I have your appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ashley Nonis on behalf of plaintiff P77029.
All right, Ms. Notice, we have a major problem.
Uh-oh.
Your document initially that I called a motion for summary disposition was called motion for judgment on the pleadings. You then filed an amended motion for judgment, which we received on May 16th, which is a motion for summary disposition based upon C9 and C10. That's not what I had noticed. So I'm going to have to adjourn the matter to the date.
Well, I have a question, Your Honor. Had notice for what? Do you mean in regards to motion for summary? Because motion for judgment on the pleadings under MCR 2.116 is also a motion for summary disposition.
Yeah,
It's
but
this-
we're not talking about the whether the motion is proper. We're talking about notice to the other side. And your amended motion was dated May 12th.
Mhm.
He's entitled to 3 weeks. And I just came to me May 16th. She haven't had the 3 weeks.
Oh, for a response?
Yes,
Okay, that's fine, Your Honor. We can adjourn it.
I will adjourn it to June the 29th. June 29th at 10 o'clock. We will hear plaintiff's amended motion for judgment.
Okay. Thank you. I will mark that in our calendar.
Okay, have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Bye-bye. That's it.